One of my favorite rappers is Megan Thee Stallion. I like her music and she's amassed a lot of fame. Some may argue it has to do with her incredible rap skills, but I'd be lying if I didn't think there was more to it than that. Hello, my name is Solane. We talk all things self-care, and today I'm going to reveal the secrets behind very successful people like Megan Thee Stallion and how we can use that in our favor. I will even give you a freebie that will put you in the best advantages as possible. Thoughts are how we've come to perceive reality. A perfect example of this is a sketch by David Finch. I love his work, which shows two men talking about their views on life. But I think what this shows us is the difference in perception of their realities. So if thoughts is what shapes our reality, how come everybody doesn't have their dream lives? So you know when Sleeping Beauty is first born and then the evil queen comes in and is like, hey, I'm cursing you. This is what most people do to themselves. It's kind of like they jinx themselves or curse. This does not mean that you are a witch, but it does tell us a little bit about your belief system. For a thought to be part of your reality, you have to actively believe in it. But most people do it the other way around. They believe their reality and that's what formulates their thoughts. It's kind of like a circular system. You believe your life sucks. Life situations that suck happen more often, so then you believe your life sucks. This puts you in kind of like a dog shit cycle of misery and unsatisfaction. So how are we gonna end this dog shit cycle? By being Megan Thee Stallion. Well, not actually becoming her, but adopting her perception process. Megan Thee Stallion intentionally crafted her life through her thoughts. She even tells us this herself.
I manifested this life. I said I was going to be this girl and I am that girl. Absolutely. So this is what happened.
Just like Megan, you have to shift your perspective. Once you believe that you are a lucky person and attract good things into your life, those good things show up. But how do we do that? It's actually a lot easier than people think. Ignore your current reality. Be intensely delusional about your desired one. This is the law of assumption. Assume that you're already in your desired reality and that transmutes into your current one. You can also use affirmations to help you, which is why I created some free Lucky Girl affirmation cards that you can use daily or whenever you want. So if you are interested, they will be in the description. I know ignoring your current reality is hard. It takes a lot of self-confidence in yourself that you are capable of actually attracting these good things into your life, which is why I think you should watch my self-love video, which gives you ways on how to find true self-confidence. Click here if you would like to watch it. And remember, change your conception and you will change the world.